began. Well, not exactly began, but that's where everything got done at. About Main Street, Cherryville. It's got the already sign up, but don't let the sign fool you. Really, Randy Smart Automotive. They got a lot of good stuff going on in here. Mustang guy. He's big into it. So, first thing he's gonna say to me when we go inside is, I thought you had a doctor's appointment. And the first thing I'm gonna tell him is, I did. But I had to cancel. So let's go see. This is a kit. That's the Porsche vehicle this year. Get to check that wheel seal that I put in and make sure it's all right. Y'all ready to go in? Let's go in. Awful quiet in here. Yep. Why is that? Oh. I had to cancel my doctor's appointment. I had to cancel my doctor's appointment. They don't do brain transplants. No, they don't do brain transplant. They came by and pumped my septic. It's supposed to have been at 3:30, and they popped in on me, and so I was stuck. It was just a follow-up anyway. Everybody say hello to Randy Smart. All right, I'm the tank now. Genius. I know y'all probably missed the ride over. I didn't hit that part. Oh, downtown Cherryville at the Smart Shop. So today is gonna be the day where me have to take the engine out of this guy. Are you cold, Randy? Yeah. This place looked like yesterday. I don't see nothing done. Oh, the plate.
Whole new pattern made for it.
You made a whole new one?
Yeah, I had to make a few patterns, missed exhaust, and just cut out the plate, let it cool a minute where I can grind it.
Is that a twin turbo setup? Or is that a single turbo?
Single.
Single turbo. That'll do. It's a fab hot rod here. Some fab work, tough work. Yeah, it's Cat's wood too. Yes. Hot rod low. Getting them worked out. Small turbo. See, the thing about old Randy Smart, man. He do it. Do it all. That's where it starts. That's where it ends. Man, it's the one dream engine right here. This is the dream engine. I don't know if it's going in that, but it's the dream engine. Right. That's smart. When the trains and all that good stuff, man. You made mounts for the window net. Five word. Hot rod, man. It is a hot rod. Oh, somebody going big time. Not talking out of it, but hey, what can you say? That's the own thing. Which leads us to this thing. Diddy. Johnny Brown blanket. We're gonna pull this thing out. Pull it out. 496 cubic inches. Pure attitude. But 1-3. That's a little problem. Could have fixed that. It's my fault. Very simple. Simply wired. Not simple, like easy to wire, but simply wired. Simple truck. You don't have a lot of computer gadgets. And we still aim to make it run. We're gonna see. We aim to make it go. But let's get it on jack stand and see what it look like. Okay. Let's stop around. See. So what we're gonna do here, we'll go under, go up just a little bit higher, put some jack stands on it, front, back. Try to get it right with it. Grinding that plate up, make it smooth. Tension mid front plate there, goes there on here. Wow. Okay, we're on jack stands. As you can see, it's showtime.
So if the blood pressure hadn't ran up for some reason, could have had a capillary in the neck break.
Yep.
Bad headache, yeah. Ain't good.
All right, here we're back. What we got here underneath the truck, we got the belly pan out, so you can look up inside of the truck, the driver's seat and all that good stuff. But where we are now, I'm gonna attempt to take the converter out, and so we can get this thing in the air. Converter is it's a knuckle buster. I think I should have left the plugs out so you can spin the engine a lot easier, because that high compression is a totally different ball game. But this is underneath the truck. It's a lot of work. I think it's a brake pedal here. That's cool. So let's see what we can get done, man. Let's see what we can get done. Train in the background, raining. March the 15th, man. Wow. 2023, no, 2024, 23 is go. Rumble of train and rumble of thunder. Shaky day in Cherryville. Really didn't get the chance to show you how to break them bubbles loose, because they are very, very tight. This is definitely no boy's job. They're tight. And so take those loose. He done a double shim, lock spacer, lock wash. So he done them all the same way. So we can get this thing on out and see what we can do. Get this converter loose, get the transmission loose, and shoot for pulling it out.
I'm gonna cut off the bottom of this rack mount just enough, hoping it'll let it slide out the bottom.
Custom stuff, y'all. Been on this thing for a while, and change of an old pan. It's changed the whole dynamic of getting this you think, Will?
Ain't working.
Pan in there. You know what? So,
Now, if I can find something to pry against.
what a job. I've been
Yeah.
on this thing all freaking day. Moment of truth, y'all. As you see where to drop the steering rack. A-arm, rack. What arm was that?
Huh?
What arm was that?
The right side front A-arm.
Yeah, A-arm. So, this is it. We're gonna see if we can jack up out of here.
You can come forward now.
And come out. Oh,
Get away from the firewall. All right, you got the nice back lid in there.
yeah. It stays or what? It hangs over.
What is this? You gotta get your temperature unhooked.
Temperature. Got to be unhooked. Do we unplug that right there?
That little tab flips up
Yeah.
and pulls off.
Let's see.
They don't really flip up, it just pulls
There we
back.
go. That's done. Throttle linkage is done. I should have marked that.
But they won't plug on with one place.
Good deal. Y'all, it's been a struggle today. But what the problem is, the number 3 hole. All other boards are looking gray. The number 3 is looking black and mad. So, it's been a long day.
All right, you can get a whole lot of tools put up now.
Say what, tools guy?
Make sure you put them in the right place.
Oh, here we go. Every time, y'all, guys anal about his tools. And I don't blame him. Couldn't get it done without you, Randy Smart. So we shut it down. I tell you, man, it's rough. But there's the transmission. I did 90% of the stuff myself. My brother Muhammad came through for a little bit, helped me out. Randy watched me struggle. Willie handed me a couple tools, but it's been rough, man. It's been rough. Big block is about to be free. I can't tell you right now what's going on. We'll get into it once it's all said and done and finished. We'll get back into the do's and don'ts of things. Let's get ready for 2024, man. I'm like no addition, but you ain't got to count me out. Well, it's out. It's out, it's out, it's out, it's out. So now that it's out, we're gonna drop the oil pan, take a look underneath before we send it off. Make sure we got everything that we're supposed to have. Just that simple. I don't bill them. I travel.
Much later and not too much like after the first of the week.
Oh no, it's gotta get out of
All
here.
you gotta do is hang them 4 corner bolts.
Yeah, we gotta go with it.
You know it.
What's good in there? Aluminum rods. All the big boy stuff. We just had a situation with some nitrous, man. So we're gonna try to get it fixed, straightened out. See what tomorrow holds. Ain't that right, Will?
Right.
Will, so that's right. Yeah. Oh well. Another day is gone, man. I'm about to call Fred Flintstone, see if we can't get home. Out. Oh, good day today. Thanks, fellas. It's out. Probably ain't hurt as bad as we think, but it's out. We're gonna get on top of it and let these guys tear it apart, put it back together, man. 24 for sure.